Alright, I'm Chris from the Golden Jersey Inn at Young's, and today we're going to make a raspberry walnut salad. So we're going to start with a couple handfuls of our spring lettuce mix, and that has some radicchio, some iceberg lettuce, and some romaine in there. So that looks about right. After that, we're going to add a couple of tomato wedges. Then we're going to throw on our dried cranberries. Then we have a candied walnut that we put in the oven. Very good. And that's going to get served with our raspberry vinaigrette dressing. Get 2 of those. Alright, then we add our grilled chicken breast to that. That goes right on top, and we are all done.